Welcome to the DeFi Dan Podcast, hosted by Dan McGuire. A reminder that all content and topics discussed are general only and is not personal nor financial advice. Always do your own research beforehand.
Hey guys, Dan here. Welcome to the show. As you can see, I've named it after myself. Cocky bastard, huh? Anyway, here's what hammered crypto this past week, and why I'm still bullish enough to keep my boots on. Not financial advice, just chain talk. Let's get into it. Segment 1, Weekly Market Recap. All right, brace yourself. This week, crypto got roasted. Over 19 billion US dollars in liquidations across the board. Now, if you didn't shit your pants, you're fucking lying. I could just smell shit coming up to my apartment floor from people watching the charts. Bitcoin nosedived, double-digit drops. Ethereum and the altcoin crowd got dragged down with it. But here's the twist. After the wreckage, the market attempted a rebound. Some big players started scooping up assets on the dip. That's where we start seeing whether the floor holds or gives way. So yeah, it's really messy, but the embers are glowing in key sectors. Segment 2, Trigger and what broke. So what triggered the panic? The big news. Trump slapped a 100% tariff on Chinese tech imports and tightened export controls. That sent shockwaves through global markets, and crypto got caught in the blast. Now, this isn't really a crypto issue. It's macro chaos bleeding straight into our sandbox. Whales and leveraged traders were overextended, and liquidation after liquidation followed. It's a purge, painful, but it resets leverage and clears out weak hands. Segment 3. Reading the bones. What to watch. Here's what I'm watching now. 2 things. Number 1. On-chain accumulation. Wallets quietly stacking Bitcoin and Ethereum. If that ticks up, we're looking at conviction buyers. And number 2. Options and derivatives. When puts and calls start leaning bullish, smart money's getting positioned. Like, if those lights start turning green, we'll probably see the next bounce, maybe an alt revival, and likely a quiet accumulation phase before things heat up again. Segment 4. Hot takes. My gut? Bitcoin and Ethereum probably found their local bottoms this week. It's not a rocket ship yet, but a relief rally feels close, and we've seen some if it already. I think that altcoins with real fundamentals, strong tech, clear use cases, solid teams, will separate from the fluff. Look, overall it's still risky, it's still volatile, but it could be good for disciplined investors. Sharks start swarming when there's blood in the water. All right, that's our first run of this podcast. I'll be back next week diving into which alt sectors look oversold and which ones are cooked. If you like the no bullshit vibe, share it with a mate. Can't believe I said mate. I'm sounding like Jace. Anyway, stay sharp, stay curious, and remember, volatility doesn't kill opportunity. Panic does. Catch you guys next week.